Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down Canary Deployment. It's an important idea in DevOps. So, what is Canary Deployment? Canary deployments send a small traffic percentage to new versions to test before full rollout. It's one of the core ideas in DevOps. Here are the key things to know about Canary deployment. First, gradual exposure reduces blast radius. Also, metrics-based promotion rollback. Another key point, Istio, Flagger, Argo rollouts automate. On top of that, shadow traffic for dry runs. Finally, essential for progressive delivery. And that's Canary deployment in simple terms. Come back for another DevOps concept tomorrow.